is important to us. So please take a few minutes to the Pacific Airlines team and like the one welcome to our board. 734 our website to Hong Kong. Before located in conjunction with the Turkish Airways, Fiji Airways, Southwest, Mongolian Airlines, and Qatar Airways. For our members, it's a pleasure to be with you. Come daily with to Hong Kong in 3 hours and 21 minutes. We are looking forward to take care of you during your flight. Your safety is very important to us. May I please have your attention for the safety demonstration? Thank you.
各位乘客午安，實代表國泰航空公司實時仔機艙服務員，歡迎乘搭國泰航空 CH734雲嘅一間航班前往香港。本航班亦係美國航空公司、機制航空公司、台灣航空、蒙古航空以及卡塔爾航空公司嘅聯合航班。我哋特別多謝我哋嘅會員，好高興喺國泰航班上再次同你見面。本航班嘅機艙客戶經理係 Ivy。機長 Captain David Lee 將會喺3小時11分鐘後搭嚟到香港，我哋期待為你帶嚟一次舒適愉快嘅旅程。你嘅安全對我哋嚟講非常重要，請留意以下嘅安全事項，多謝。